Hello. I have decided that I'm going to go on a journey of decluttering. As you can see from this mess, my life is a mess. And if I do say so myself, this is a pretty good representation of what it's like inside my head. This is a mess. It's a mess in here. I'm about to lose my mind. This is day one of decluttering the mind and all the surrounding areas. So let's have at it. As you can see, I have adopted the KonMari method of folding clothes, and yeah, they never seem to stand up straight, so I kind of just like stack them on top of each other until I put them into the drawer, and then they still kind of fall over, but that's okay. We're still in this process of, Okay, so I cheated a little bit, and I got most of the stuff off the floor. See, the floor's clean, but it's all up here. But I'd say that's a good start. Oh, why silly little optimistic Q. 딸래가 더 있지롱. So let's try this again. Yes, I realize that folding laundry isn't exactly the most exciting content. So as I continue in my quest to try and get my life together, I give you l'audace of le butterfly for your viewing pleasure. I know I said I'd get my life together and stuff like that, but I just had way too much to do that day. Tissues, they work.
Okay.
See, you have this reservoir of snot, it just stays in there until you're ready to wipe. Yummy, 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 yummy. I know you noticed it too. My husband's armpit hair is so silky. So I did what any normal girl would do. Deep condition my hair with sandwich sauce. Intervention time. As you can see, it's been several days since I started on this quest, with no avail. So I believe it's time to get to the root cause of this. There's a reason for this happening. Obviously, I don't have a system in place, and so I have decided to employ the fishbone diagram, better known as the Ishikawa diagram. Allow me to demonstrate the fishbone diagram. Oh, you want to know what this is on my head? Well, I realized that it was time for me to deep condition my hair again. Obviously, I need to do this before I do this. But then I thought, you know what? I could do both at the same time. I mean, if I had to pick one, I'd pick this over this. Because let me tell you, what's more important is keeping this youthful glow over keeping a tidy house. And you know why? This one student comes up to me and she goes, "It's really good you're having a kid when you're young because I'm really embarrassed of my mom because she's old and fat." Yeah, you're doing your kids a favor. But anyway, maybe this look isn't very good. Maybe if I... That looks a little better. Just a minute, I'm gonna try one of those like beauty apps. No? Yeah. I think this might work. Anyway, back to the task at hand. This is a fishbone diagram. First, make a fish head. And you write down your problem and your outcome. My problem is laundry. And my desired outcome is a life in order. This beautiful, sparkly life. And so there is my fish head. Then, from the fish head, from the fish head, you make a bunch of fish bones. Ah, yeah, fish bone diagram. Now you get it, right? And on these fish bones, you write the 6 M's, which I'm going to see if I can remember out my butt because it's been so many years since I've graduated from college. And okay, let's try. Okay, manpower, machine, let me consult Google. Okay. Method, materials, mother, nature, measurement. So let's see where the problem lies in why I can't get my life together in this laundry department. At this point, you might be wondering, what does a fishbone have to do with decluttering my life? I was wondering the same thing. I also came to the realization that editing my videos has caused me to put off decluttering even more. After coming to such a realization, one would think that I would actually begin decluttering at this point. No. I instead decided to play a game of Where's Waldo? After my bit of fun, I woke up early the next morning and decided I was going to get my act together. Instead of tackling the whole pile all at once, I decided I'd do a little bit now and do the rest when I got home after work. So I came home from work yesterday to discover this, and I came upon a stark realization. That if I don't do something long enough, somebody else in this house will do it for me. But hey, let's take a look at the drawers. Let's see if they did a good job.
알겠어요.
I don't know if I can find anything that I need in there. One good thing did come out of all of this. All the clothes are separated out, so now it's easier for me to sort through them and get rid of what I don't need. So KonMari teaches us that if something doesn't give you that feeling of boing, chung, shung, if it doesn't give you that shung feeling, then you're supposed to toss it. Like this. What's really nice is things in the laundry get a free pass because obviously you like it enough to have worn it for you to have to wash it right now. So that's good. If I had to go through my pile of dirty clothes, I'm pretty sure I would throw it all away because it'd be stinky.
엄마 미안해요.
What? What happened?
혹시 너무 보셨어요?
And that reminds me. Because incidentally, my husband leaves socks all over the place. And he always checks to see if they're dirty. He'll take it and he'll go. And he could just leave it at that. But then he goes, will you check too? Okay, so I have procrastinated enough. I have concluded that I'm just going to clear out this drawer right here and make it empty so that... Yeah?
핸드폰이 물고기 좀 들어줄래요?
What do you need? What do you want?
근데
Yeah. Yeah.
핸드폰에
Oh, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, I have cleared out that drawer and I have stuck all of my clean laundry in there. My life is decluttered and what are you looking at? Oh, don't worry. It'll be done by the time I post this video. What's a relationship if it's not based on trust? And voila! Nothing on the floor, and everything is in its place.